So we are going to be making these beautiful little textured hearts today. So we're going to have texture, and we're going to have lines, we're going to have patterns. So this will just be a really fun little activity. So today you will have texture plates. You will have these crayons with no wrappers. We will also be using markers, and we will have a heart tracer. What we will start out doing today is creating these lines right here. We want to break this up to where it almost looks like a puzzle. So we're going to break this up into a puzzle using any color marker you would like. And I think I want to use a nice dark color. So I'm going to use a blue marker. And you don't want more than 5 lines. We also want to make sure these lines are straight. And we don't want more than 5. If we have too many, then we're going to have too small of spaces, and we don't want too small of spaces, or we can't get our patterns in. So the very first line I'm going to do is I'm going to come from corner to corner, and I'm just going to do the straight diagonal line. Now you don't have to do it this way. You can start wherever you would like. But notice how I'm going from corner to corner. I'm going all the way to the edge of the paper. Now I want to draw a line maybe here. And again, do you see how I'm going all the way to the bottom? I'm not doing this, okay? I want to bring it all the way. And you can have these lines however you want. Right now I have 3. Let's see, maybe I want to do one from here to here. I'm going to go all the way to the edge. And maybe I want to break up this space here. Maybe I want to do a diagonal like that, all the way from here to the edge. And you see how it almost looks like puzzle pieces. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to trace our heart. So what I'm going to do is I actually want to trace my heart in black. We want to do this in black because we really, really, really want it to stand out. So we're going to trace our heart in black. If you notice, I'm holding my heart really tight. I've got it in the center of my paper. I'm holding it really tight. And voila. Now, I kind of want to make that a little bit thicker. So I'm going to hold my marker on its side now that I've got my lines down, my heart lines. Now I'm going to make it really thick by I'm going to use the edge of my marker. I'm going to turn it over on its side. I'm also going to, just on the inside of my heart, I am going to trace these lines black. Again, I just want it to really stand out, not on the outside of the heart, only the lines that are inside the heart. And these are going to be my places where I'm going to add pattern and design. So I think in this one, I'm going to get maybe the color blue, and maybe I want polka dots here. Okay, and now I'm going to get a green marker, and maybe I just want some diagonals here. Remember, we've been talking about lines and patterns, so you can choose whichever ones are your favorite. Maybe I want some mountains here. And you don't have to get too elaborate. You can be simple. Maybe I want loop-de-loos here. And maybe I want dashes here. I just want some yellow dashes. You can't hardly see that. There we go. Just some yellow dashes. And maybe I want some purple ovals. I can do that. All right. Now, this is where the magic happens. we are going to take one of these beautiful texture plates and we're going to put our heart up on top of it. We're going to choose any color or multiple colors. You can actually use multiple colors. You're going to turn the crayon on its belly and you're going to rub. And look at how it creates that beautiful, beautiful texture. Maybe I want some pink. And I'm going to make sure I go all the way to the edge. And maybe I want this pretty turquoise color. And I'm just going to rub my crayon all over to create some beautiful texture. Maybe I want red. And now I've got a beautiful, beautiful pattern texture heart. Let's see what we have here. We have lines, we have pattern, we have texture. We have all kinds of cool art things in this project. All right, when you're done, you'll make sure your name is on the back and you will get to take these home today. Okay, have fun.